Hey guys, this is Ashley and this is Chip Bills, and today we're going to make this awesome Pokemon wall art. I used double-sided tape to stick the template to the wood. I tried to position it in a way of where the wood grain would look cool once the thing was cut out. I used a scroll saw to cut these pieces out since they were so small and had quite a few curves. Cutting these pieces out was very tedious and took a long time, but as long as you're patient, you'll get some good results. I decided to make this wall art because ever since I was a little kid, I've always wanted some kind of Pokemon art in my room and I've never had the chance to have one, so I finally decided to just make one for myself. Since these pieces were so small that I was cutting out, I was starting to get a little bit nervous, so I would use the end of a pencil to help push the pieces along the blade. I recently got a Dremel tool and decided to use that to do the finish sanding, since a power sander would have taken away too much material and changed the shape. Once that was done, I sanded up to 220 grit. I had to stain Squirtle and Bulbasaur because I didn't know of any blue wood or green wood. Pikachu was made on Yellow Heart and Charmander was made on Patook. Next it was time to glue them in. I put a piece of tape to try to level it the best I could, but it wasn't perfectly straight, and I was trying to be careful of not using too much glue, but I did have some squeeze out, so I used different things to try to clean it up. Once the glue was dry, I removed the tape and then put a couple coats of spray lacquer on it. Once the lacquer was dry, I put an alligator hook on so I could hang it up in my room. Overall, I'm super happy with how this turned out, so if you like this video, please comment or like it or dislike it, and please consider subscribing. Thanks.